Good day, my viewers. This is A Student Plus. Today we just want to look at this simple question, which is 3 over 5 as a percent. Now, percent simply means you are multiplying the fraction by 100 over 1. So, what you are going to do there is to write 3 over 5 times 100 over 1. So you are making this 3 over 5 as a percent by doing so. So the 5 here, which is the denominator 1, this will be 20 because 100 divided by 5 is 20. Now 20 times 3 will give you what? 60. So you're not just going to write 60 alone, you're going to put the percentage sign. So 3 over 5 as a percent means 60%. Now, if you want to check whether what you have done is correct, you can just simply take the 60%. 60% is the same thing as 60 over 100. Now, 20 here 3, 20 here 5. That is 60% is the same thing as what? 3 divided by 5. Thank you.